Today we are going to learn the diffusion of solids in liquid and the diffusion of liquids in liquids. For that experiment we require some materials like this one. This is beaker. This is 100 ml beaker, and this one is also a beaker, but the quantity of this one is 250 ml. Is it clear? This is beaker. This is conical flask. It is similar to that of a cone now. It is conical flask. This is beaker and this is conical flask. And this one is dropper. Remember what is the name of this one? Dropper. And this one is spatula. Spatula. Okay. And this is potassium permanganate bottle. If you see here on this bottle, you have the name of the compound, you have the formula, you have formula weight of this compound, and remaining all things are not necessary for us. The formula for potassium permanganate is KMnO4. It is KMnO4. Okay, and this is nothing but wash bottle. Okay, in this we have water. So let us start this. If you see here, potassium permanganate is a solid. Okay, you know how the solids will be. Okay, if you see here, this is a solid and it is having color. Okay, I am taking out potassium permanganate a little bit and adding it to a beaker. If you see here, this is nothing but the solid. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am adding it to the beaker. You just see, when I add it to the beaker, what happens? The color of the beaker changes. Okay, the color is because of the potassium permanganate. Is it clear?
Yes,
the color of the solution is because of potassium permanganate. Okay, this is a dense color. Let us try to prepare a solution of potassium permanganate with light color, very light color. We have added more amount of potassium permanganate, so we have got a dark color. It is dark pink color. But when we add a little bit, that is nothing but 1 to 2 only. If you see here, 1 to 2 crystals of potassium permanganate, when we are adding, we are going to get a little color. When I add this, you just see here. This is nothing but diluting or not.
Yes, sir.
When you see here, at the bottom you have potassium permanganate crystals and they are slowly diluting into the liquid. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can say the change of color here.
Yes, sir.
At the bottom we have added 3 to 4 drops of potassium permanganate, 3 to 4 crystals of potassium permanganate, and it is getting diluted into the liquid. Is it clear?
Yes,
From
sir.
this we can come to a conclusion that potassium permanganate or a solid can be diffused into the liquid. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Solid can be diffused into
Liquid.
Now the same thing. Let us dissolve this properly. When we dissolve this, we are going to get a complete solution of this one. We got the solution of, okay, you just pass it on. You can see at the bottom the solid is dissolving. You can see at the bottom the solid is dissolving and get spread all over the liquid. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, we are going to transfer this into the liquid. This is nothing but the liquid of potassium permanganate, right?
Yes, sir.
This liquid we are going to transfer it into, take this one because this is dark. No? Not getting, it is not properly dissolved. Let us dissolve this completely. When we see here, when we transfer this into the solution, this is liquid of potassium permanganate. We are dissolving it in water, drop by drop. When you see here, when this is added to the liquid has been added to another liquid. this is also getting spread all over the liquid. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here, from this we can come to a conclusion that liquid can also dissolve in liquid. Yes or no? Previously we have seen that solids have dissolved in liquid. Now we are going to see the liquids are dissolving in
Liquid.
now see here we are going to add some more amount of potassium permanganate solution. When we are going to add it, it is getting spread all over the.
Water.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
By this we can come to a conclusion that liquids can also be dissolved in.
Liquid.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.